Jai Hind students, in the last class we discussed how to solve a pair of equations which are not given in the linear form. Today we are going to discuss how to solve word problems. Whenever word problem is given, first we have to go through the word problem very nicely. In the word problem there must be two unknown. One we will suppose as x and the other as y. And in the word problem there must be two conditions given. From these two conditions given we have to form two equations in xy, and then we have to solve those two equations by using any of the three algebraic methods. And when we have got the values of x and y, finally we have to write down the answers. This is the way how we have to solve a word problem. Let us discuss one word problem given in exercise 3.2, question number 5 from NCERT. Here is the question. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. Let us solve it. Now from the last line, find the dimensions of the garden, it is very clear that it is required to find the length and breadth of the rectangular garden. And that is why first we will suppose the length of the rectangular garden be x meter and breadth of the garden be y meter. Now it is given in the first condition that length is 4 meter more than its width. Now length we have taken as x, breadth as y. Length is 4 meter more than its width, therefore x minus y is equal to 4. Let us suppose it to be equation 1. It is also given in the second condition that half the perimeter of the rectangular garden is 36 meter. Now perimeter of the rectangular garden, we know the formula 2 into in bracket length plus breadth. Here length is x and breadth is y. So the perimeter of the rectangular garden is 2 into in bracket x plus y. Therefore half the perimeter of the rectangular garden will be half into 2 into in bracket x plus y, and it is given half the perimeter of the rectangular garden is 36 meter. Therefore it is equal to 36. So after simplifying we get x plus y is equal to 36. Let it be equation 2. Now these two equations we have to solve by using any of the three algebraic methods of solving a pair of linear equation in two variables, here x and y. Now we are applying elimination method, and here y in both the equations with the opposite sign plus and minus. So to eliminate y we have to add these two equations, equation 1 and 2. So adding equations 1 and 2 we get 2x is equal to 40. That implies x is equal to 40 by 2, that is equal to 20. Now substituting this value of x in equation 2 we will get x plus y, that is x value is 20, so 20 plus y is equal to 36, which is written here. 20 plus y is equal to 36, and after solving we get finally y is equal to 16. So x is equal to 20, x we supposed as the length of the garden, therefore the length of the rectangular garden is 20 meter, and y we have got as 16, and y we supposed as the breadth of the rectangular garden, therefore the breadth of the rectangular garden is 16 meter. So what have we learned today? We have learned how to solve a word problem. In the next class we will discuss some more word problems from exercise 3.3 Till then, take a good care of yourself and bye.